TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading down 20. You get the NASDAQ off 2. S&P's a flat. Gold contract's down $8.20, trading at $13.31. We have silver down 5 cents, $17.10. If we get over to that gold market and take a look at it, what you're looking at is this, folks. Your numbers come out this morning inside the housing market, inside the unemployment bottom line. They're good numbers. And the unemployment is for claims was the lowest in 45 years. Gold got down to $13.24. It's rejected lower price once again. Where it broke topside was $13.20. Now, what that sets up, that still sets up higher price. Gold wants to run up to this $13.65. If we go over and we take a look at the U.S. dollar, the absolute correlation to that, what you're going to see is once again, good old U.S. dollar cannot hold higher price. Pretty amazing, actually. We just went from 90.765. We're at 90.255. This is in a much larger ABC structure down. You're talking about 82.5. So that is one monster number. We go take a look at the bond market, the 10-year note. Now, this is going to be really cool because the 10-year note, folks, bottom line, keeps rejecting lower price. Now, we're a point away from getting inside the larger range. That being said, what we have is this, is that yesterday you came down, you had lighter volume as you did come down. Okay, we came down with 1.4 million contracts going into 2.1. This morning, you have volume behind this move. That being said, you don't have price spread. They should be able to take this 10-year note apart like nothing. They can't do it. What does that say? Guess what? We're going higher. This thing, I expect what you're going to see. You're going to see it reject lower price out here today. We've got to the 122.12. We're at 122.16. Don't be surprised if you see this thing go positive. If we go look at the 30-year, what you have inside the 30-year thus far has stayed away from its major swing point. The major swing point we're talking about is 147, and thus far what we have out here inside the 30-year right now, you're trading at 149.22. 30-year also came down this morning. You came down into the lows of last week, lighter volume. You're going to end up with a higher low. Bottom line, when you look at this market, I expect you're going to see selling pressure continue inside the major indices. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you by Everbank. If you'd like to understand exactly the products they have, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.